Good evening everyone, welcome back once again. I am Nazif Osman. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to design this very simple flyer. Okay, so as you can see now, this is one of the simplest flyer that I just made with my Canva app, and the purpose of this tutorial is to show you and guide you how to start designing from scratch in your Canva app without editing any template. Okay, because Canva has gone beyond editing template. So let's go to our Canva app. So as you can see now, this is the interface of Canva. Once you enter our Canva app, this is the interface. As you can see now, here are the templates, but we're not going to edit any template in this video. We are going to start something from scratch, because as a graphic designer, you have to always increase your creativity and your skills. You have to be creative and innovative. Don't be rely on template. Hope you get it. So for you to start designing from scratch, you will just click on this plus sign that we are seeing here. Okay, so after you click on this plus sign, as you can see now, Canva has suggested a lot of things for you: whiteboard, book cover, logo, flyer, poster, a lot of things and the size that you want to design. Okay, but you are going to create something different from this thing now, and you are going to make use of our own size. So what we'll do now is we'll just click on this custom size to go and insert the size that you want to use for your design. So after I click on it, as you can see now, this is my recent size use that I use. So what we'll do is we'll just write 3200 for it, and we'll go to the height and write the same 3200. Then you will create, then you will click on create design. Okay, you will click on it. Then you will wait a little bit. But make sure you own your data before you go ahead and start using Canva app. Make sure you own your data, because Canva is not like a pixel lab. So as you can see now, this is the background. I'm going to design anything that I want to design here in this canvas. Okay, I'm going to design anything here. So what we'll do is I'm going to import the background that I use from my phone gallery. I'm going to import the background. So for you to do that, you just click on this plus sign here that was seen. Okay, after you click on this plus sign, then as you can see now, among these horizontally aligned icons down here, you'll click on this gallery to go and take it out from your phone gallery. You'll go and look for it. So this is the background that I use. Here it is. It is inside my download folder. Here is the background. Okay, so let me just click on it. Click on add to page and wait for the background to add. So as you can see now, I added this background here. So what we'll do is you can start dragging it from this angle to cover every part of your canvas. Okay, you can drag it like this to cover everywhere. So it's okay like this. And you can, among these horizontally aligned icons, you can go to lock sign and lock it for effectiveness. Okay, you can click on this lock sign to lock it for effectiveness. So after you lock it now, the next thing that you'll do is you'll click on this plus sign again to go and import something from your phone gallery. So as you can see now, this is the food plate of food that I use inside the design. So I'm going to click on it. I sent it to you already. Click on add to page and add it here. So as you can see now, I added it here. I add this one here. Sorry. Let us wait a little bit. It's adding now, as you can see. So as you can see now, I have successfully added this one on top of my ground. So what we'll do next is, okay, let me delete this one. I added it 2 times. So for you to delete it, you just click on this delete sign up here. So I need only one here. Okay, this is the only one that I want to use here. You can make use of your hand to washing it properly. Okay, so next thing that I'm going to do now is you are going to write the remaining text inside the flyer. You are going to write there. Okay, let me go and look at it and see. So as you can see now, there is delicious. I have written delicious, yeah. So let me go and write delicious off. And for you to write anything, you click on this plus sign again to go and add text. Okay, so after you click on this plus sign, among these horizontally aligned icons, you'll click on this text to add any writing that you want. Click on this text, yeah. So like I'm experiencing network problem, that's why it is loading. So we are going to wait a little bit here. So as you can see now, here are a lot of things that I can use, a lot of writing style. So I'm going to make use of this one, add to subheading. You just click on it. Okay, just click on it. So as you can see now, I added it to my canvas. So what you'll do next now is you can make use of your hand to take it off. Let me go and lock this one. Let me go and lock this writing so that it wouldn't be moving up and down. So we'll click on this lock sign to lock it. So as you can see now, I lock this one too. So let me take this one off. So after you have taken this one off, the next thing that to do is you just click on it and edit it and write delicious. Okay, so after you have written delicious, then what to do next now is you'll click on this font, because I use one particular font for it. You'll click on the font. So as you can see now, here are recently used font. These are the fonts that I used recently for the design. So you're going to click on this Open Sans bold font. I'm going to click on it. So as you can see now, I have successfully added this font. So you can make use of your hand to position it properly. I think it's okay like this. So the next thing that I'm going to write is, let me look at the design. I'm going to write this weekly and food menu. Okay, so let me go and write weekly. So what we'll do next now is you will click on this plus sign here to duplicate it. Okay, to duplicate this writing. So as you can see now, I duplicate this one. Then you will click on it to write weekly. This thing is very simple. To write weekly. So now I have written weekly. So the next thing that I'm going to do now is let me go to color. Let me click on it. Sorry. We'll click on this color here that we are seeing. Then you'll go and look for the color. So this is the color that I use for the design. This color. Okay. So after you click on the color, then what we'll do next now is you will click on font. This font, because I use one particular font, a kind of fancy and stylish font for it. Okay, you'll click on it. So this is the font I use for this weekly. Okay, you'll just simply click on the font and the writing will automatically change. It will look style. You see, delicious weekly. So I have achieved this one. So the next thing that I'm going to do now is, okay, let me put it up here. So next thing that I'm going to do now is let me click on this plus sign again to go and take out another text. So I'm going to click on this add a heading. Okay, you'll click on this one. After you click on this, then you'll place it somewhere around here. Okay, then you'll click on it to edit. Okay, then you write F, because I'm going to write food. So let me skip. Sorry. You write food menu. Okay, so let me write food here. I actually want to give a space here. So bear with me. Okay, so let me just write something here. food. Okay. I still have to make some addition here. Sorry, I want to give a space here. Okay, so I think I'll just leave it like this. Okay, so you are going to give a space between F and D because I'm going to add one particular shape on it. So you can click on this font size to reduce the size of it, the writing. Okay, to reduce or to increase the size of it. It's like so let me just sorry. So due to the time of this video, I'll just leave it like this. Okay, but when you are doing your own, you have to be very careful. You have to give your time. So let me delete this dot. So the next thing that I'm going to do now is you will click on this plus sign here again. After you click on this plus sign, then you will see element here. You will click on this element. Sorry, so these are the elements. So you are going to choose this circle shape here. You will click on it. So after you click on it, then you will go to your color. You will click on this color here, this color it to white. Okay, color it to white. After you color it to white, then you reduce the size of it. Okay, you reduce the size like this. You will come and place it somewhere around here. After you place it here, make sure you place it properly, very well. So after you place it here, then you will click on this plus sign off. Sorry, you will click on this plus sign off here, this plus sign to duplicate it. Okay, so as you can see now, duplicate it, then you will come and position it somewhere around here like this. Okay, so let me adjust it. I still have to make some adjustment here. So due to the time of this video, I'll just leave it like this. Let me see if I'm correct. But as you can see now, I give a space between these two shapes. So make sure you give a space when you are doing your own, because I don't want the video to be too long. Because as I can see now, the video is getting longer. Okay. So let me just leave it like this. Okay, due to the time of this video, I'll just leave it like this. Let me adjust this one off. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do now is you are going to write this thing. You are going to make this straight line and this weekend only. Okay, so let me go and make it. So what you do is you just click on this plus sign here that you are seeing. Then under element you will see a straight line, and if you do not see a straight line, you just search for lines. You will see them. As you can see now, there is a line here. Once you click on the line, you will see the line appear. So let me click on this line because I'm going to use it. After you click on it, then what to do next now is you will click on this line style. Okay, to bold it a little bit like this. So you can leave it like this. Then after that, you will click on this guy to position it with your hand properly. So let me position it somewhere around here. Let me reduce this thing a little bit. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy this delicious writing off here. I'm going to duplicate it. Okay, click on this plus guy to duplicate it. Then you come and place it somewhere around here. Okay, click on edit. Then you write this weekend only. Okay, after I have written this weekend only, then you will click on this font size to reduce the size of the writing a little bit. Okay, then you can place it, use your hand to place it somewhere around here. So next thing that you'll do now is you'll go to your color, click on this particular color to color it. You'll color it to this color here. Then what you'll do is you will duplicate this writing again. You will duplicate it to write your phone number. Okay, you can even write your name for me to know that you are the one who designed it. You do not take someone design. Okay, you can write your phone number here. Contact, you can write contact 081. Let me input my phone number 081 3453 1715. Okay, so let me position it somewhere around here. So as you can see now, I'm done with this design. I have done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to position this plate of wood. I'm going to position it. Okay, so let me unlock it. Let me position it at the center, exactly at the center. So let me just manage this one. Then you can go to the lock sign and lock it again. So as you can see now, we have successfully created a very simple and astonishing flyer from scratch with our Canva app. Okay, we are done with our design. So the next thing that we are going to do now is we are going to save this design, and for you to save it, you will click on this drop icon of here that you are seeing. After you click on it, as you can see now, save as image. The design is preparing your design. So the design is saving now. So as you can see now, save to gallery. I have successfully saved this design to my phone gallery. If I go to my phone gallery, I will see it in my Canva folder. Okay, as simple as that. I want you to submit it from now, tomorrow morning. Thank you.